Here is a quick overview of what I will cover. First, I will talk about the connection between physical activity and stress level. Then, I will review the study purpose, the participants, the methods, the finding, and finally the conclusion. Stress is for sure increasing across all age groups, but especially about adults, many of them struggle with managing properly. So, this research shows that exercise can help lower stress, and activities like walking, moderate workouts, or even quick intense exercise can improve our mood and reduce anxiety. The project purpose is exactly answer this question. Why is this effective? The purpose is simple. It wants to measure how much physical activity, especially from adults, can perform each week and compare that with their perceived stress levels. So the analysis focuses on two key questions. The first one, is there a correlation between higher moderate to vigorous physical activity and lower stress? And the second one, do people who use physical activity as a coping strategy report lower stress than those who don't? Here, as you can see, there is a participants table that includes 100 adults between ages of 18 and 65 years old recruited through convenience sampling. The group is also divided by gender. It's going to be 50 males and 50 females, and includes people with different employment backgrounds. All of this helps the sample represent a typical adult population. This research used a quantitative design method based on two student surveys. The first one is PSS-10, also known as Perceived Stress Scale, which measures the stress over the past month. And the second one is IPAQ short form, and this one measures physical activity levels. Both tools helps measure stress and activity in a clear and consistent way. For finding limits, based on the previous analysis, of course, it expects to find a negative correlation, meaning that higher physical activity is linked to lower stress. So it means that people who use exercise as a coping strategy, I also expect to report lower stress. However, there are some limitations. The data is self-report, right? So accuracy depends on memory and also honesty. And because of this, it may not represent the entire population. In conclusion, this study may support physical activity as an easy and effective way to reduce stress. And if the results match expectations, organizations could use this evidence to develop or even improve wellness programs. Overall, this research highlights the importance of exercise for well-being. Thank you all for listening.